As finally Pune is set to welcome the Warkaris today in Pune, let's try to talk with DCP Zomran Prishikesh Ravle sir to understand what are the arrangements that are made and done for the people who are coming today. So what are the arrangements that have been done related to security purpose, as we have seen 7,000 police personnel have been deployed, and even the Warkaris can be seen in the PTP app also. So what is the thing that has been done?
Definitely, as you mentioned correctly, more than 7,000 police personnel have been deployed in the Palki Soda Bandobast. We have also deployed a lot of technological things in this bandobast, as many of facial recognition cameras, CCTV cameras with people counting features, AI features have been deployed. Then we have GPS tracking of Palki. We have GPS tracking of many of vehicles, police vehicles, which will be doing patrolling. We also have plainclothes crime staff which will be deployed for safety regarding chain snatching, regarding pickpocketing. All these have been deployed. Uh, Talking about main bandobast, static bandobast is as we know that Palki will be entering from Vishrantwadi area. It will be coming to Sancheti Point, and it will be passing through Ferguson College Road, going to Khandoji Baba, then Alka Talkies, moving along Lakshmi Road, and then coming to Palki Vitoba Mandir or Nidunga Vitoba Mandir. In all this route, we have kept a good static bandobast. That static bandobast ensure that there will be no vehicular movement as and when Palki will be arriving on that route or near that point. In Palki Vitoba Mandir, we can see a lot of changes have been done. There were two buildings which have been removed, and good space have been created for Bhaviks to have good darshan. They will be allowed to remove their shoe at a shoe stand. Then they will be allowed to enter in a lined manner. In that same lined manner, they will be allowed to come near the Palki Vitoba Mandir, and they will be taken in the same line to have darshan. Then exit is also in a lined manner, so that there is no crowd surge or crisscross movement of people, creating any cascade or stampede like situations.
As we have seen this initiative regarding the PTP app, which has been seen a new initiative. Even while I was also checking, even both the Palki's route, and even there's a color that has been mentioned, like in the green it is for Palki and the start and end point. How did you all thought about this initiative that has been taken?
This is because there are many worshippers of Bhavik. We can say that those who didn't get any idea where the Palki is going. Many of the people have working day to day. After the working day, they will be interested in having darshan. Many of time they don't get any idea that where should we go. We should go to Palki Vitoba Mandir or Nidunga Vitoba Mandir, or we should go to some route, have darshan there. So everything, taking this into consideration, we have given a GPS location in our PTP app, where we can see where the Palki is moving, which Palki is moving in which direction. Then we can also see which is the start point, which is the end point, how many people are there. That also can be seen in PTP app. So overall, this has been done to facilitate darshan of Varkaris.
As we have seen, from the PTP app to the AI installation and deploying 7,000 police personnel has been seen on the ground doing their duty. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.